In today's video, we are going to show you how to add images to your Milanote, which is perfect for boards, planning, or organizing creative ideas. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your Milanote account and go to the existing board, or if you want to create a new one where you want to add your images, you can do that as well. Now, the easiest way to add an image is by using the drag and drop on your computer. Say, for example, I am going to drag and drop some files on the dashboard. As you can see, it's super simple, right? Now, what will happen is after you drop it, Milanote will automatically upload and place it in the board. Simple and super fast. Now, the next method is by going to the cards in the left side area. So the notes, links, to-dos are considered cards here in Milanote. So just click the add image. And as you can see, you have multiple options here. You can search over 3 million free images provided by Pexels. If you want to search an image, you can do that. Or you can simply upload your own image if you want it, or you can add the web clipper to your browser. It's super simple. Just drag and drop the images that you wanted. But in my case, I am going to upload my own image, which is going to be this one. Drag and drop it here. It's super simple, right? And basically, that's how easy it is to add images to Milanote. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.